You may think of YouTube tags as a part of YouTube SEO. As a matter of fact, they are. It is important to choose the right keywords and follow your content according to them, or vice versa. One thing is certain: if you want to raise your YouTube account and get ahead of your competitors and result at the top of the YouTube searches, you have to use tags. Sometimes finding tags can be difficult on YouTube. However, there is a solution to it. All you need to do is provide a phrase or word that you want to get related tags to, and our tag creator will start working as soon as possible to catalog and deliver relevant tags according to volume, popularity, and a couple of other metrics. Having the right tags on your videos can secure thousands of views for your YouTube channel. People are generally very specific when searching for their interests. If someone is interested in video games, they won't simply do a search with the exact term video games, but they will specifically do their search with the video games' actual names. Therefore, we suggest you be very generous when using tags on your videos, as they can bring viewers even from places where you didn't know existed.